Can you actually get a human being on the phone at M1 Finance? Or are you destined to navigate an endless maze of FAQs and automated responses? That's the burning question we're tackling today. Because let's be honest, when it comes to your money, sometimes you just need to talk to someone. We live in an increasingly digital world. Everything from ordering groceries to managing our investments can often be done with a few taps on our screens. And for the most part, that's incredibly convenient. But what happens when things aren't so straightforward? What happens when you have a specific question about your portfolio, need clarification on a transaction, or encounter a technical glitch that the Help Center articles just don't address? That's when the ability to directly contact a financial institution becomes not just a convenience, but a necessity. M1 Finance has carved out a unique space in the investment landscape, offering a blend of automated investing through its PIs and the flexibility of self-directed trading. It's a platform that appeals to both beginners looking for a hands-off approach and more experienced investors who want greater control. Their streamlined, technology-driven model is a key part of their appeal, often translating to lower fees and a user-friendly experience. However, this reliance on technology can sometimes raise questions about accessibility when direct human interaction is required. In a world where customer service expectations are constantly evolving, understanding how to get in touch with M1 Finance and what level of support you can expect is crucial for both current and potential users. So, if you've ever found yourself wondering, can I actually talk to someone at M1 Finance, you're in the right place. We're going to dive deep into the various ways you can attempt to contact M1 Finance, explore the nuances of their customer support system, and ultimately answer that pressing question. We'll look at the official channels, dig into what the user experience is like, and even touch upon some alternative strategies if you find yourself needing extra assistance. Let's start with the most obvious place to look, M1 Finance's official website and help center. Like most modern online platforms, M1 Finance has a comprehensive support section designed to answer a wide range of questions. You'll typically find FAQs categorized by topic, covering everything from account setup and funding to trading, portfolio management, and security. These resources can be incredibly helpful for addressing common inquiries quickly and efficiently. Often, a quick search here can provide the answer you need without having to reach out directly. They often have detailed articles and step-by-step guides that can walk you through various processes. It's always a good first step to explore their help center before attempting other contact methods, as it might save you time. Beyond the static help articles, many online platforms now offer some form of in-app or website-based messaging or chat functionality. This allows you to submit a question in writing and receive a response from a support agent, often within a reasonable time frame. This can be a convenient option as it allows you to continue with other tasks while waiting for a reply, and you have a written record of the conversation. We'll need to investigate whether M1 Finance offers this direct chat option and, if so, where to find it within their platform. The availability and responsiveness of chat support can significantly impact the overall customer service experience. Now, let's address the question that brought you here. Can you actually pick up the phone and speak to a live person at M1 Finance? This is often the preferred method for more complex issues or when you need immediate clarification. However, in today's digital-first environment, direct phone support can sometimes be limited or even non-existent for certain online financial platforms. We'll need to research M1 Finance's official communication channels to determine if they provide a phone number for customer support and, if they do, what the typical wait times and hours of operation are. If phone support is available, it's important to understand the best times to call and what information you should have readily available to ensure a smooth and efficient conversation. If direct phone support is not readily available, it's worth exploring other potential avenues for contact. Email support is a common alternative, allowing you to detail your issue and receive a response, albeit typically with a longer turnaround time than phone or chat. We'll need to check if M1 Finance provides a dedicated support email address and understand the expected response times. While email might not be ideal for urgent matters, it can be a good way to document your inquiries and receive detailed written responses. Another important aspect to consider is the level of support offered for different types of accounts or users. Some financial institutions might prioritize support for premium account holders or those with larger investment balances. We'll need to see if M1 Finance has a tiered support system or if their support is generally consistent across all users. Understanding this can help set expectations about the level and speed of assistance you might receive. Beyond the official channels, it's also worth considering the role of social media in customer support. Many companies now actively monitor and respond to customer inquiries on platforms like Twitter or Facebook. While these channels might not be suitable for discussing sensitive account information, they can sometimes be a quick way to get general questions answered or to escalate issues that haven't been resolved through other channels. We'll take a look at M1 Finance's social media presence and their engagement with customers. Furthermore, the online investment community itself can be a valuable resource. Platforms like Reddit forums dedicated to M1 Finance can provide insights from other users who may have encountered similar issues. While you should always exercise caution when taking financial advice from online forums, these communities can sometimes offer practical tips and workarounds that you might not find in the official support documentation. However, it's crucial to remember that these are unofficial channels and should not be used for sharing sensitive account information. So, after exploring all these potential avenues, what's the ultimate answer to our initial question? Can you contact M1 Finance? Based on our research, the primary method of contact for M1 Finance leans heavily towards their digital channels. While they may not prominently feature a direct phone number for general customer support, they do offer robust self-service resources through their help center and often provide email support for more complex inquiries. The availability of live chat can vary, so it's important to check their website or app for the most up-to-date options. The emphasis on digital support aligns with M1 Finance's technology-driven approach, which helps them keep costs down and offer competitive pricing. However, it's important for users to be aware of this and comfortable with resolving many issues through online resources or written communication. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.